Welcome to a video on how to archive and share your Qualtrics data in the Odum Institute's Dataverse Network. Once your Qualtrics survey data collection is complete, you may need a safe place to store your data, or you may want to make it available to other researchers interested in research questions your data might be able to address. For Qualtrics data produced as part of research projects sponsored by major funding agencies, or that underlie research results presented in journal articles, you may even be required to share your data. The Odum Institute's Dataverse Network, or DVN for short, is a user-friendly web application that allows researchers to publish, cite, analyze, and archive their data. The Odum Institute's DVN is also part of a network of data repositories, which allows your Qualtrics data to be made discoverable to researchers all over the world. At the same time, the DVN offers varying levels of access control, including where only you can access the data, or you can give access to other collaborators, or you can publish your data and make it accessible to the public. And while the Dataverse Network accepts any data file type, Qualtrics offers an SPSS data download option that is directly compatible with the DVN and takes advantage of the DVN's value-added tools, such as data subsetting and online analysis. I should note here that this process is for anonymized data only. If your Qualtrics data contain personal identifiers, you will need to remove them prior to uploading your data into the DVN. So placing your Qualtrics data in the Odum Institute's DVN for safekeeping and sharing involves a very simple 4-step process, involving first downloading your Qualtrics data, then creating your Dataverse, then creating your study, and finally uploading your Qualtrics data. Now I will go ahead and demonstrate this simple process within Qualtrics and the Odum Institute's DVN. Once you are in Qualtrics, to download your Qualtrics data, you will click on the View Results tab, select your survey, and then click on Download Data. Then you will select the SPSS file format and click on Download SPSS File. Once your download is complete, you will save the SPSS data to your computer. For the next step, you will go to the Odum Institute Dataverse Network and create your Dataverse. First, you will need to create an account by clicking on Create Account in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. After creating an account and logging in, then you will click on Create Dataverse and enter the required information. So I will call this Qualtrics Example. And then hit Save. Now your Dataverse has been created and you can access it by clicking on this URL. Then you will be prompted to log into your account, and here you see the newly created Dataverse. For the third step in the process, you will click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This gives you access to your Dataverse administration dashboard. In the Studies tab, click on the Create Study and Upload Data link on the right-hand side of the screen. Then you will need to read and accept the terms of use. From this screen, you'll want to enter as much information as you have available into the form provided. Keep in mind that the information you provide here is what will enable the system to optimize discovery of your data. When you are finished entering this information, click the Save button. The final step is to upload your Qualtrics data. To do this, click on the Add Files link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In the Choose a Data Type drop-down box, select SPSS SAV, then click on the Browse button to locate and select your downloaded Qualtrics SPSS data file. You can then have the option to add text to the category or description fields provided. And finally, click the Save button. After your file has finished downloading, your data is now safely stored in the DVN and you will have available the value-added features. To access these features, click on Analysis and Subsetting. From this screen, you can see your data and view summary statistics for your variables. You can also run descriptive statistics, choose Numeric or Graphic and hit Run Statistics, or you can run more advanced statistical analyses by choosing the model, such as cross-tabulation, from the drop-down box. To make your Qualtrics data publicly accessible, you will first need to release your study and release your Dataverse, which you can do through the options provided in your administration dashboard. For more information on DVN features, please visit the Dataverse Network project at dataverse.org or contact the Odum Institute Data Archive. Thanks for watching.